All right, this video here is going to go over the service calls entries and service call maintenance. This feature is almost identical to order calls, order entries, and order maintenance. It's a separate feature as we created this feature a while back because a lot of people were taking actually service call situations and putting them in as orders. What I mean by service calls, that could be fixing a merchandiser. If a customer calls in and says they have a problem with the merchandiser, it needs to be fixed, it's doing this or something like that. These can be entered as service calls, so they can be separated out inside the route builder screen. You can actually make a route specific for your order for your service tech to go out there and fix these merchandisers. Okay, so that being said, I'm on the toolbar. We have service call entry. You can see right here it comes up as a red, and I'm going to choose a company that I use a lot for demonstration, so I'll choose 100 Bomb Group. Okay, from here obviously you can click Hotshot, which doesn't really give a description of what's going on, but you want to hit continue on this. Okay, so here we are hitting continue, and then you can see right here there are service calls already in process, which is identical to how you would handle this with your order entries. If you want to go ahead and edit a current service call, you can edit that one, or you can create a new one. So in this situation, I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to say it's required for today, it's priority. We have information about sales maintenance in here as well. Okay. Down here we can put a note. Okay, so we can put a note in like that. And right here we can actually access the merchandiser to see, like, while we're on the call with them, we can click right here and jump right into the merchandiser to see information about it. We can jump right in and see maintenance history and see if there's been any maintenance records or attachments or service calls. Any other type of information that we want to know, we can quickly access from here. We can click on the merchandiser ID number. That's actually a serial number. I prefer using an ID number, but you can click right there. It takes you right into it. Tells you indoors, if it's expected return date, any comments on that particular box that were entered about that particular situation. So from here we can just hit continue, and there's all the information about it, and we can hit finish. So now when we go into our order entry, our route builder, okay, so now down here under this filters, you're going to see that there's a service call, and I can go ahead and open it up, and you can see there's a wrench on it. That indicates obviously it's a service call. So I can double click on it and it takes me right into it. Okay, and I can go ahead and edit it. I can actually even jump into the actual service call right here, which I'll just go ahead and do real fast. There, I'm right inside this portion right here where I can go ahead and make edits to this. But this is the same as going into the service call maintenance. There's a 100 Bomb Group. Continue. Here are the service calls: view service call, edit service call, cancel service call. I just go in to edit this one, and now I'm right exactly where I was a second ago. So, okay, so that is service call order, service call maintenance. Again, it's very similar to order call entries and order maintenance, but this is again very specific to the your maintenance guys and works that they have to do for their boxes, and you can go ahead in the system and make those routes for your service guys. So in this situation right here, I could add another route and just drag it on there. Your service tech can go out there on the road. He can do a service call inside his handheld for everything that he completed. He can put in notes about the merchandiser when they went out there. He can even enter tasks in his handheld that might show up in the system. Okay, so that is service call entry and service call maintenance. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you.